Homes like this one and the families who grew up in them, they became the very foundation of this great place called Lexington County. With hard work and common sense values, they literally pulled this place out of the soil. And we have a great debt we owe to them, and so we must remember those values as our county grows and expands and progresses in this 21st century. And that's why I'm coming to you. My name is Todd Carnes, and I want to be your next representative at the South Carolina State House. And I want to be that representative because I believe the good, hardworking people of Lexington County are more interested today in a good name and in integrity than they are in clever marketing, political slogans, and cliches. I believe we've come to a place in our history where we're looking for people with a good name. People that we want to vote for not because of some type of voting record, but because of a life record. Because a life record is significantly harder to achieve and it can hardly be faked. And so I want to share a little bit of my life record with you in order to earn your trust and confidence that you might support me as I run for this State House office. My grandparents grew up in this house, which is very similar to the one right behind me here at the Lexington County Museum. My grandparents were great people who taught me the values of hard work, of honesty, and common sense community values. They were people of the land and farmers. And so during my childhood, they had great influence in my life. And then they moved from the country to the town to work in Dwight cotton mills, where they labored in 10 and 12-hour shifts, hoping for a better future for their kids and for their children's children. Out of the mill village, my mother and father came and established a home for us, with my dad beginning his career as a door-to-door insulation salesman and eventually establishing a small home business out of our garage and den where he did remodeling. Out of these modest beginnings, my family was able to propel me to heights that my grandparents could never conceive, as they were able to send me to university where I earned my civil engineering degree. After earning this degree, I was able to go to work in Jacksonville, Florida and work on infrastructure projects as a project engineer in a time of great growth and learn many things about community development and infrastructure needs. Following this, I had this great privilege to move overseas to the former Soviet Union and work with Southern Baptists as a Christian missionary and humanitarian aid worker, where we were able to hand out hope and humanitarian aid to people who were literally starving for both because they had been repressed for years by an evil governmental system. After this, I had the great privilege of picking up my family and moving here to Lexington County back in the year 2000, where I was able to raise my 3 daughters. When I came here to serve at Lexington Baptist Church, where I'd been called to serve as a pastor. And after 7 years there, I was able to join a friend, and we established Radius Church here in our community, which now extends into White Knoll and other places. During these 15 years of serving great churches in our community, I was able to do a lot of things to serve in other ways. I was able to serve as a volunteer chaplain for our Lexington Police Department. I was given the opportunity to call our churches together in a Sunday of unity called Together for the City. I was able to serve as a character coach for the Lexington High School football team, trying to develop young men in character. My wife was given the opportunity to teach and to coach volleyball at Lexington High School along with other areas. And I was given other opportunities to serve and encourage our community in various venues. Now I have the opportunity to serve in our business community as a leader at Southern Med Pediatrics, and I have the opportunity to serve in our broader community as a councilman with the Town of Lexington. And I feel as though the experiences of my past have positioned me to all come together and give me opportunity to serve well at the State House on your behalf. Columbia is in turmoil and everybody knows it. And so now more than ever, we desperately need to send voices of moral clarity and conviction to the State House so that we can move past the scandals and corruption of the past and move forward to the pressing issues of the future. Issues like the 30% growth that is projected for Lexington County over the next 10 years. For that, we desperately need infrastructure, to which my civil engineering background will give me insight. We need to look forward to issues of the future like reforming the ethics that goes on in our legislature and getting the rules such that we don't keep repeating the old mistakes of the past. and we require folks to serve with honor. Issues like, most importantly, finally creating a governmental system that is of the people, by the people, and most definitely for the people, not simply for elected officials and political insiders. I feel that after serving in our community for 17 years with my wife, that we are strategically positioned to move forward with my civil engineering experience, with my executive experience, and my experience in the political realm, to go there and accomplish those tasks on your behalf and to serve with honor. I pledge to you that if you give me your support, I will go to the State House and I will do everything I can to serve this community well and to deliver real results, not only for the people of Lexington County, but to restore honor to the state of South Carolina. Thank you for your support.